Dear ERA community, let's share a secret. After a very long period in the desert of stagnating therapeutic options in nephrology, we live lately one of the most exciting periods of its history. A large number of new treatments and drugs are already in practice or planned to be introduced on our therapeutic algorithms in the years to come. The volume of information arriving every day is huge. Thankfully, we have a pool of sources to learn and adapt, and one of them is, of course, the European Renal Association, with its large number of initiatives that you could find out if you have a look at the website. Diabetic nephropathy is a case study of this evolution, and rightfully so, a target of a large number of these new therapeutic options. So, if you are a little bit lost with this tsunami of information about diabetic nephropathy, if you are a little bit confused about the large number of actual and future treatment options, stay with us. In this ERA podcast, A Pinch of Salt, we'll discuss about diabetic nephropathy with Professor Enrique Morales, an eminent figure on the subject.